So regardless of the local value of your currency, it doesn't affect the demand for your crude. And actually, crude oil market is not market driven. It's controlled by cartel called OPEC. So even OPEC does not believe in market forces. Because they believe in market forces, they didn't need a cartel to protect and determine quota for supply of oil. So we didn't see any sense in devaluing the currency and expecting that we will export what we do not produce. But rather, we will become poorer and poorer, and red sinkers will benefit. Well, the first devaluation was $1 to $2. First year, $1 to $1.